What's bubblegum poppin'?
So good.
Hey y'all, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and just stopping by, don't forget to give this video a nasty thumbs up before you leave, and don't be banging. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you too can be a part of the FNTgang. And if you're already gang, welcome back. So today, you guys, I'm doing a seafood and a buy little shindig right here with some black denim drip sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and shake her up. Yeah, I'm just gonna dive right into this video because I'm hungry. We're gonna spread her. Right, be careful now, don't hurt him. Don't hurt him. Woo. Yeah, I'm trying not, that's why I was trying not to mess up my plate, y'all. Bear with me. I know y'all was like, yeah, you should have did all this before you came. All right. There we go. How's it's looking? It's looking good, y'all. I can't see. Well, we're gonna hold that look up. So, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and say my grace and we're gonna get started. Hey, man. All right, y'all. I made it a little spicy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dive right in. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So good. Y'all know I like sausages and potatoes. I need to take a thumbnail. All right, y'all. I'm sipping on some Truly Mango. You know, I like to show y'all. Some Truly Mango. But anyway, how y'all doing? What's up? It's hump day. Y'all happy Wednesday. If y'all haven't seen, I released the news that I will be restocking the drip sauce this Friday. Wednesday, y'all, October 2nd. So I'm gonna say it, okay? Because a lot of people miss it. I will be selling the sauce on the website. That's www.blackdenim.com. Black Denim is spelled BL4, the number 4, CKDENIM. Okay? Black Denim. Now, I'm telling you, if I see that in a comment, seriously. So again, www.blackdenim.com. As I mentioned in my community post, because that's why I released the news that I will be restocking. I've been receiving nothing but positive feedback in reference to the sauce. Now, somebody did ask, is this your Hot Mama sauce? It is the original name for the sauce was Hot Mama. But I renamed it Drip. So yeah, it's still the same sauce I've been eating for 2 years. Okay. And it's so good. It is. Again, shout out to my supporters. Shout out to my team. And just shout out to FNTgang, man. Y'all are so awesome. Y'all are so awesome. And I love y'all. Nah, but for real. When I tell y'all, I was truly blessed with y'all because people in my city, they don't show love. People that know me, they don't be showing no love and support what I got going on. People think what I'm doing is weird, to be honest. They think it's weird, but forever be like, where my plate at? Let me place an order. I be like, yeah, you can place an order. Ain't gonna turn out your coin. But I ain't even worrying about them. I'm not concerned. Y'all know I love y'all because I've been stopped eating corn. When the last time y'all see me eat some corn? But like on Sharika video. Before then, corn. But with this bowl, it's necessary. Anyhow, yes. The sale will be back on. The sauce will be back on sale. I'm talking about. I was about to say the sale will be back on sauce. But yes, y'all, it'll be back on sale. And this is another pre-order. I gotta explain to y'all what happened. So, for one, I didn't realize how hard this was gonna be to sell the sauce, y'all. Cause I take orders all the time. You know what I'm saying? Like when I do dinners and stuff. So I was like, oh, you know, I'm gonna take the orders, fulfill the orders, send them out, and be done. Like it's just that easy. It's done and done. Chabu. Yeah. This is how I operate. When y'all requested, well, when y'all purchased the sauce, and I had it open for 24 hours, but it sold out less than 5. My expectation was to mail y'all out y'all sauce the next day, like for real. And it happened like that. So I requested for y'all for the boxes. I was gonna use the regular USPS shipping box. And they was taking forever to send them boxes. So I ended up actually making the sauce and sending it out like 7 days later because I went on a full scavenger hunt around the city trying to find boxes to send y'all orders. You know what I'm saying? And some of y'all receive Office Max boxes. Then I found an actual box factory in Jacksonville. I was able to buy boxes, and that's who I'm actually going to work with as far as boxes. So the day that I shipped out my last batch, because I did 3 days, the last day I shipped out y'all orders, they finally arrived with my boxes. Excuse me. That was Saturday. When I say piss. So now I know, because it was a trial and error. So I made sure I got y'all orders on time. So when I release it, because a lot of people was asking, they was like, I just want to put my order in and I trust that I will receive it. So I'm going to restock the store this Friday. When I made the decision to restock, yeah, if y'all hear noise, please excuse me. It's a carpet cleaner in the house. The carpet man. He came out late. Yes, y'all. So, we're going to put the orders in. And I'm going to start on those orders next Friday. Because I want to make sure that I have all of my equipment this time. So I won't be walking around like a dang on chicken with his head cut off. Because that was the worst, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. But I'm glad it was such a wonderful turnout. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna go a different way on how to work my magic. But I thank y'all so much, because that was beautiful. It was a great experience. Nothing but love. And I'm looking forward to having some long nights again. And see, now I know what to expect. So we got that going on, y'all. So I'm super excited. I know y'all super excited. And people was just telling me like different things that they've been using it on. You got seafood, chicken tenders, sushi. I was like, sushi? Girl, yeah. And I got sushi. Oh, this is so good, y'all. But yeah, again, I'm looking forward in serving you. Yeah, I'm trying to get Sharika to release her sauce on our website, but she keep on saying She see what I had to go through. She said So if y'all think Sharika should release her Florida butter, y'all tell her you should really do the butter. Y'all comment on her next video. Like, you should do that seafood butter with your brother. Excuse me. Because y'all want to trade. Y'all, I hope that noise ain't bothering y'all. It's bothering me. Because Mr. said he was going to be here yesterday. Talked to him today. He said he was going to be here tomorrow. And he here while I'm working. And he's working. Yeah, I felt that good old fall weather come in this morning. Oh, that's good. That good old fall weather came in. I sat outside for a couple of hours today. Just kicked back. Because in my yard, we got like nice umbrella. It's a garden. You know, little chairs in the yard. I just kicked back. Relaxed. A whole bunch of blue jays was flying around me. And I was just like, Lord, what does this mean? I love when the universe starts speaking to me. I still didn't research on what it meant, but it was a beautiful sight. They were all around me, y'all. So do me a favor, if you can, because I'll probably forget after I finish editing this video. Comment below what blue jay symbolizes. Can you do that for me, please? Y'all know I love me some crawfish. Look at that. So be it. What the hell? Little crawfish leg that went out of my tongue. A little ass freak, yeah. But no. Thank y'all for watching my last video with the tomahawk steak. It was so good and tender. I sure hope they still got a sale at FNTgang. Because usually when I try to buy some, well, I don't try to buy some, but usually when I look at their meats and I see the tomahawk steak, it'd be like $42. But I ended up just buying a big old family pack of ribeye steak for about $40. So she was $21. I was like, what the hell? It was so good. Oh, y'all. I'm getting full. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video because it sounds like it's getting louder. He may be in the hallway right now. But thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and don't be bangy. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you too can be a part of the FNTgang. All right, y'all. I'm out. Now that's out. Excuse me. All right, y'all. I'm out yesterday, and don't forget to stay popping but deliciously. I hope y'all have an amazing rest of your week, and bye.